Welcome to our channel. If you want to use Netflix secret codes to unlock hidden categories and discover more specific content, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open your web browser and make sure you are logged into your Netflix account at netflix.com. Step 2. Find a Netflix secret code for the category you want to explore. You can search online for Netflix secret codes to find comprehensive lists organized by genre. Step 3. Open a new browser tab and type the following URL format: netflix.com/browse/genre/ followed by the secret code number. Step 4. Press Enter to navigate to the hidden category. Netflix will display all content available in that specific subgenre or category. Step 5. Browse through the titles in the category and add interesting movies or shows to your list by clicking the plus icon. Step 6. Try different secret codes to discover more hidden categories. Popular codes include 1365 for action and adventure, 6839 for documentaries, and 10118 for comic book movies. Step 7. Bookmark your favorite category URLs for quick access in the future. You can organize them in a folder for easy reference. Step 8. Explore new categories regularly as Netflix updates its library. Secret codes provide access to hundreds of subgenres beyond the standard Netflix interface. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.